Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I teach you some daily maintenance and all sorts of stuff. Here we have all the utensils we need. We've got CRC or chain oil, tape measure, square head screw thingy, Phillips screwdriver, petrol, racing fluid, and a rag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to change racing fluid. I prefer using Castrol SRF racing fluid, but if you're a Honda geek, use Honda oil. Here we're going to put this in there. Come up close. It's okay, I'll edit it out. We're going to do the screws. Please ensure you put your screws in a safe place and remember where they are. As you can see, our fluid is very low. This is dangerous as the brake will not work. Make sure you put this with your screws. Make sure you please stand up the bike straight. And fill it up to this little line on the side. It's better. See, our dial is full. That is good for your brakes. And you. Next up, we are going to come around here and check the free play of the chain. This is very important as your chain could snap and result in a whole chain off and you will go flying. Trust me, been there, done that. Please ensure, push that down, and that there should be 25 centimeters. Yep. If it's not, you then need to come over here, loosen that nut off there, and move that to move the bike out or in to adjust the height. As you can see, wipe it off. We have this bottom line here. That is a minimal amount of oil you will have in there. If you have less than that, your bearings will start seizing. Up here we have the top. If it's from there and up here, your bearings are going to have a lot of pressure and your motor is going to fill up with heaps of oil. I recommend going just under it, just in case. For the standard CRF150F, I prefer using 1 litre of oil. Any more than that, the motor will seize. What we do is we just stick it in straight, don't screw it on, hold the bike level. Pull it out, you can rest your bike on the side. As you can see, my bike is just at the full mark. If it was down there, I would need an oil change urgently. If your oil is black, you need an oil change very quickly before you go for your next ride. We then stick it back in, screw it on. Now we come to the tyres. You know when it's good pressure, when you can push it down and you only get a little bit of squishiness, as I do. We come to the rear tyre. Push it. That should have a little more than the front tyre. For a standard 4-stroke, you should use 91. Like that. Come over to it. We come to oiling the chain. See, if you're a Honda geek, get Honda stuff. It's only a couple of $100 extra. Right round. You then move the bike up a few metres so you can get all the dry chain. Please consider subscribing and smash that like button. And I'll see you next time.